If you wish to get rid of one or more of your playlists, here we explain how to delete a playlist on YouTube via its apps for Android and iOS. Note that once you've deleted a playlist on YouTube, the action can't be undone and you won't be able to recover the playlist. Open the YouTube app on your Android. Tap the Library tab in the lower right corner of your screen. Tap the playlist you want to delete. Find the playlist you want to delete under the Playlists heading on your library page, and open it. Tap the three dots icon on the top right corner. This will open your playlist menu in a drop-down window. Tap Delete Playlist on the menu. This option will remove the playlist from YouTube's listings. You will have to confirm your action in a new pop-up. Tap OK in the confirmation pop-up. This will confirm your action, and delete the selected playlist from YouTube.